road, and the wind was also difficult. But mostly I would say it was speed game. The one who was the fastest would always get to the better place first and extend to the other boats. We were not the fastest today, but hopefully better tomorrow.
Today we had 2 starts outside the harbor with difficult conditions and with the current.
Actually, our first time in Rio, so it was nice to sail now in this area because we knew a little bit what could be going on during the day.
Yeah, and yesterday we were sailing outside the bay, and it was more like normal conditions for us, so with sea breeze and waves, but here today was no waves and a lot of current and yeah, more different. So.
There's no wind, so we ended up waiting around for 2.5 hours maybe.
Yeah.
And it's very hot and just waves, so you're just drifting around. And it was a long day, and there's no shadow, so it was a lot of being in the sun. And then they decided to send us back inside the bay to the Sugarloaf race course, which is the meadow race course. The 49ers, the guys were racing there, so they did their 4 races, and we got to go after them. So, but since it was getting dark, we only got to have 1 race. Unfortunately.
Well, the 1 race that we did do was very good. We started off, probably had the best start of the fleet, so we were very happy about that. That was one of the points we wanted to improve from yesterday. And then actually the whole race went pretty well. We kept our position, and the wind was pretty tricky. You had to always go to the right hand side. So once you're in a good position, it was fairly easy to keep your.
Yeah, so today we were supposed to race outside the bay in Copacabana course. We got there around 12 o'clock and it was no wind. We waited 2-3 hours there and still no wind. And but at the same time they got the racing going inside the bay, and it was a good breeze here. So they put us go in to close to the bridge, and there was a good breeze. And we got 1 race today.